What I wish I knew when starting my fashion brand. Excel can be your secret weapon. Join us this Saturday, April 19th for From Threads to Trends, boosting your fashion brand with Excel dashboards, proudly brought to you by Data Brothers Tech. We'll show you how to turn every order, every customer, and every festive rush into insightful dashboards using Microsoft Excel. Learn to gather and organize data with ease, automate repetitive tasks, and build interactive dashboards to track sales, trends, and busy seasons. Understand how COVID-19, holidays, and style preferences shape demand. Make smarter decisions backed by data. Whether you're running a home-based gig or scaling your brand, this session will show you how to use data like the big brands do. No expensive tools needed, no coding required, fully Excel-based, and beginner-friendly. Don't miss this chance to transform your designs into decisions. Grab your sketchbook, your Excel sheets, and join us on Saturday, April 19th. It's time to go from threads to trends. Register now.